Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Revolutionary eye injection saved my sight, says first ever patient. Doctors at Moorfields Hospital in London have developed a pioneering treatment to restore sight and prevent blindness in people with a rare eye condition called hypotony. Hypotony is a condition where the pressure inside the eye becomes dangerously low, causing the eye to collapse or cave in on itself. If left untreated, it can lead to blindness. The new treatment involves injecting a clear, water-based gel called hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, HPCM, into the eye to restore the normal pressure and shape. This allows the cells at the back of the eye to function properly and transmit clear visual signals to the brain. One of the first patients to receive this treatment is Nicki Guy, 47, who had lost vision in both of her eyes due to hypotony. After the treatment, Nicki's vision has significantly improved, and she can now see and read most lines on an eye test chart. The researchers have treated 35 patients so far, and 7 out of 8 have responded well to the therapy. They hope that this treatment could potentially help hundreds or even thousands of people in the UK each year who suffer from hypotony. The treatment involves injections every 3 to 4 weeks for around 10 months, and the researchers are still working to refine the process and identify the best candidates for the therapy. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.